First one, guys. Super small. I didn't skunk. Wacky rig, right in the mouth. Don't swallow that. Give it back. He ain't a big one either, but he'll do. Bunch of small guys today, I guess. Guess that's all we're gonna get. Whoa. That was cool. Is he even in there? There is a fish in there. He was up in that shoreline. That was cool. This thing barely hit the water. Oh, did I lose my worm? Yep. Wonder if it's in that pile of grass. Oh, easy there, fella. There we go. There we go, guys. Fish number 3, 4, I don't know. Small, but hey, at least we're catching them. Another little guy. Biggest one today. Not a monster by any means, but it is the biggest one. Probably right around, I don't know, maybe a little bit over maybe. Not a bad fish though. Beautiful fish. Very healthy. Let her go. I'm picking up some bigger fish there. Oh, there's one. Oh my God, that was a good one. That was a good hook set right there. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, we got ourselves a big one here. Wow, I think this is the biggest bass I've caught out of here. Get over here. Oh my God, nice. This is definitely the biggest bass I've caught in this lake. She's not happy. She is not happy, guys. Oh, wow. Look at this one. It's a beast. She's got a weird looking sore thing on her mouth, but wow, she's fat. Lure in her mouth, but 2.91. Nope, 2.9. Yeah, 2.91. Nice fish. 2.91, guys. Probably 2.9 if I take that lure out of her mouth, but heck yeah. That's a great fish right there. What's this side look like? She got a sore on this side of her mouth? No, she's doing good. Beautiful fish. Absolutely. Look at the belly on that thing. Look at that belly. Hell yeah. Gone. All right. So we got that one out here in 13 feet of water on a chatterbait. We're gonna see if we can get any more. All right, guys. Got that nice, almost a 3-pounder out of here. So we know the bigger fish are definitely out deeper. They're in that, say, 12 to 15 foot. I'd say, because I'm in 15, I'm casting in. It's probably about 10 foot, maybe 10 to 12 feet of water. I was pulling it, dragging it across the bottom. It's a chatterbait, and I felt it bump some grass. So of course you give it the old pop. And when I popped it and I started letting it drop again, that's when that fish hit. So I probably hit that grass, probably knocked some dirt or whatever off of it, algae. The fish saw it, came over and slammed it. And that was the biggest fish of the day right there. I know there's some big ones in here, but I haven't caught anything over 3. Yet, and I've been fishing this for a while, but I never really go too deep. It's just I always get a lot more fish up near the shorelines, but these guys that were up near the shorelines were so damn small today. I mean, they're literally like 1-pounders. And then they kind of stopped biting, so I went a little bit deeper. I mean, it took me a couple hours to figure it out. I don't know if there's going to be more big ones over there, but I hope so. I hope so. I think we kind of got blown out of our little spot here. I feel like I'm just not up far enough. About since I found some, because that's basically 2 bigger fish out of this spot. Might even throw a really big worm just to see if I can get something even bigger, but I don't know if I want to. I should try it just to try it. But oh, there's a bite. Oh, I just had a nibble, guys. Something was chomping on her down there. Something was chomping on it. There it is again. Came back. Hit it again. Won't bite it though. There it goes. We got it that time. Oh yeah. That's another good one right here. This thing hit it a few times. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Get over here. In the net. Woohoo! We're on to them, guys. We found the big ones. Oh, this one isn't as big, but hey, it's a fish, right? That's all that matters. We are finding them and we are catching them. Heck yeah. This one just kept hitting and hitting, and then finally it just decided to really chomp down. So right in the top of the mouth, top dead center too. I mean, you couldn't have got more better than that hook set right there. Beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful fish. Man, that's 3 big ones right there. Are we too far up here again? Yeah, I think we were sitting in like 14 feet of water. So we'll go backwards a little bit. There's one. There's one. Oh, that's a nice one. Ah, he's just a little guy. But we'll take him. Come here, sir. Oh, we got you. Man, you like basically try to inhale that thing, huh? Give me that back. There we go. Yeah, he's a little one. He was just down in the grass. Felt like he was huge. Probably a 1 1/4. Wow, it's pulling me around. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Get in there. Heck yeah. Got another big one. We found him. We're on him. We are on him. Chatterbait all day, baby. Let's get it. Heck yeah, man. Some quality bass right here. I ain't gonna lie. That's a good fish. Woohoo! Oh, he's bleeding. We'll get him back in the water. He'll be good though. That's only in the roof of his mouth where you're supposed to catch him. But yeah, that's awesome. Chatterbait. God. I do have the worm with the red flake. I think I'm gonna actually throw this one on. Yeah. Come on. There's got to be some big ones down there that want this, I'd imagine. If not, go back to the old chatterbait. Ooh, there's a nibble nibble. Let him take it. I think he's got it. Oh yeah, he's got it. That big old worm, guys. Oh, it's not a big fish, but I'm just glad I caught one on that worm. Dang. That was cool. Yes. Finally caught one on the worm. That is freaking cool. Look at that thing. That whole worm is down his throat. Alright, let's get him unhooked. Smaller guy, but he definitely had an appetite. Definitely wanted that worm. Man, it's just amazing how they'll eat something this big. I mean, to me that's pretty darn big. It's the whole size of my hand, so that's pretty big. Definitely cool. Definitely cool. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. We started out super slow, caught like 3 or 4 little 1-pounders up against the shorelines, and ended up thinking that's where they were. That was the pattern, so ended up going around the whole lake shallow. Didn't get anything, so I went out deeper, and I hit him with the chatterbait, even though we had like blue skies and it's warm, and it's pretty clean water. I ended up whipping that chatterbait out there in like 12, 13 feet of water. I was sitting in like 16 feet casting up, because it kind of went up on a like a ledge sorta, and was just slow rolling that chatterbait off of it, man. And I found them. Ended up catching I think probably 4 or 5 really good ones right there. That was pretty cool. That usually doesn't happen here. They don't usually group up, but we found a nice little pod of them over there, so a nice school of them. That was definitely awesome. Glad we didn't just call it quits, 'cause I was gonna, but we stuck it out, we grinded it. It literally took about 6 hours of fishing. So the video was 6 hours of fishing, probably end up being about a 20-minute video. But yeah, the first 4 hours were a straight grind, guys. Those 3 fish came, and then that was like, I was ready to just leave. But I'm glad I went out deeper. I went against my better judgment, and considering it's a blue sky, ended up throwing chatterbait, guys. And the chatterbait pretty much did the job. I did want to throw that big 10-inch worm, and I actually got a really good hit on it, and then I actually caught a fish on it. So that was kind of like a little goal I had. Never fished big worms like that, and I got a nice bite on that too, slow dragging it on the bottom. Water temps are right around 78. Right now they're 79, but they were like 78 over there. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, maybe you learned something from it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we'll see you again, guys, when I throw out another video in the next few days. After I got to work the next 2, I'll probably end up going out maybe Monday or Tuesday. Tuesday I might be hitting a new spot, so stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for stopping by, you son of a fish.